This video tutorial is about how you can easily connect Wi-Fi without password on your iPhone and also find the Wi-Fi password with easy method. The interesting process makes you really helpful on daily usage. We are going to show you all the methods. The various method with simple technique through which you can connect and access almost any logged Wi-Fi network with couple of some few process. This method not include any root and any crack tools. Only requirement for the method is you will need to have to physical access to the Wi-Fi router only once. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and welcome back to the another video. If you visit us first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notification whenever we share a new videos. Alright, without further delay, let's learn. That look basic, but most iPhone users don't know about the special features on iPhone. You can share a Wi-Fi password on your iPhone to automatically connect other iOS device to a new Wi-Fi network, and you won't have to type in a password on the unconnected devices. To share or receive a Wi-Fi password and join the network, you will need to bring two iOS devices that are both running iOS 12 or higher close to each other. One important thing that you have to understand that the contact of the new iPhone have added in the one sharing the password of Wi-Fi. Make sure that your device, the one sharing the password, is unlocked and connected to the Wi-Fi networks. Select the Wi-Fi network on the device you want to connect. On your device, tap Share Password, then tap Done. Shortcut app on iOS is a very useful way to automate your iPad and iPhone. iOS 12 have the features that lets you instantly share saved Wi-Fi password with other iPhone users, but what it can be when you are sharing with multiple people. Shortcut that can come in handy in sharing your Wi-Fi password is a QR code. Here is how you can do it. If you are using shortcut first time and download any shortcut while you set up app, you got an error like that. On trust shortcut, to avoid that error, you can go to setting. Scroll down. Here you can see shortcut. Tap on it and allow untrusted shortcuts. Allow and enter password if asked. You can download from below link from the App Store. Tap on Get Shortcut, scroll down and tap on Add Untrusted Shortcut. Tap on My Shortcuts. Here you can see the QR code. Scan it with your camera. You got a message, Join Wi-Fi network. Tap on it and tap on Join. That will automatically connect Wi-Fi to iPhone without any password inside. Launch the setting from the home screen. Tap Wi-Fi. Here you can see Wi-Fi is already connected on the phone. Tap on setting icon on connected network. Below you can see the QR code. Tap on it. Here you can see QR code. Scan with QR code on another devices to connect the internet without entering the password. Here I am using my iPhone to scan the QR code from camera and you got the message join the Wi-Fi network. Tap on it and tap on join. That will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi without any password inside. Launch the setting from the home screen, tap Wi-Fi. Here you can see Wi-Fi is already connected on the phone. Tap on setting icon on connected network. Below you can see the QR code, tap on it. Here you can see QR code, take a screenshot. Open browser and enter the web address. Tap on choose file and give the location of the screenshot that we previously took. Wait for the operation to finish. Here you can see on the page result tab the password text is shown. The one screenshot of the Wi-Fi QR code was decoded by this website and you can see the password easily. Here I am checking the password on other iPhone, means that decode password works, no doubt. You can connect to locked Wi-Fi without password by using the function of WPS, Wi-Fi Protected Setup. Most of the routers support WPS function. For this trick, you must have physical access to the router of Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. If you are on Windows or Android device, then you are lucky. This trick will gonna work for you because Apple doesn't support the WPS function. You can do this in simple steps. Step 1. Go to setting in your smartphone. Wi-Fi, go to option or more and search for WPS push button option and just tap on it. Tap the WPS button on the back side of your router. Within some seconds, if you face any issues in this process, then do let us know in the comment section below and we will try to help you as soon as we can. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press like and subscribe to our channel. the GSM solution for more videos like this.